Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're diving deep under the sea to draw one of the coolest fish in the ocean, Oscar from Shark Tale. So grab your pencil, your sketchbook, and let's make a splash. Did you know Oscar was voiced by Will Smith? His energetic personality and smooth talk and style totally shine through the character. Oscar's design mixes fish anatomy with human features. His eyebrows, teeth, and even body language were inspired by Will Smith's real expressions. Shark Tale was released in 2004 and became one of DreamWorks' most colorful and music-filled animations, packed with pop culture and sea life jokes. It was also one of the first animated films to feature a full underwater city, a mix of coral reefs, neon lights, and urban vibes inspired by New York City. If you had fun drawing Oscar today, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves cartoons. When it's time to color, go for bright tropical tones. Golden yellow for the face and chest, deep blue for the fins, and touches of green and turquoise along the body. Keep the smile bright and confident. That's pure Oscar energy. Now, I want to know, who's your favorite DreamWorks character? Tell me in the comments. I love seeing your pics. And here he is, our shiny, happy Oscar, ready for another underwater adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.